Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate lead scoring with HubSpot easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your HubSpot account. Navigate to the contacts section from the main dashboard. Click on lead scoring in the drop-down menu. If you do not see this option, ensure you have the proper permissions enabled for your user role. Now, select Create Lead Scoring Model to begin the setup. You will see options to create both positive and negative scores. Start by defining the criteria for scoring leads based on their engagement level. Consider adding criteria such as email opens, website visits, or form submissions. For each criterion, assign a positive score that reflects its importance to your business. Next, focus on the negative scoring criteria. These can include actions like unsubscribing from emails or not engaging with your content over a Assign appropriate negative scores to discourage these actions. Once you have defined all criteria, review your lead scoring model for accuracy. Click Save to store your scoring model. You can then assign this lead scoring model to your contacts. To do this, navigate back to the Contacts section. Select the list of leads you want to apply this scoring model to. Go to that Actions drop-down menu. Choose Apply Lead Scoring Model and select the model you created. After assigning the model, HubSpot will automatically update lead scores based on your criteria. Monitor these scores regularly to optimize your criteria over time. Review the performance of your lead scoring through the Analytics dashboard. Adjust your scoring criteria based on changes in lead behavior or market conditions. Finally, make it a habit to refine your model periodically to enhance lead qualification. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.